This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power. Turn off the breaker and verify the downlight is dead with a non-contact tester. This protects you and the circuit. Once done, remove the trim and bulb carefully while wearing gloves and inspect the socket and wiring for obvious damage or corrosion, because visible issues tell you where to focus. Make sure you have the exact replacement bulb and basic tools at hand. This prevents wasted trips and speeds the repair. You now examine the socket and wiring in detail, tighten loose screws, replace corroded contacts, and look for charred insulation that indicates overheating. Then test the supply using a multimeter. A stable voltage means the problem is internal. A fluctuating reading points to the circuit or dimmer. If you have LEDs, remove and test the driver, because many flickers come from failing drivers or incompatible dimmers. Swap to a known good driver. You finish by installing the replacement component, whether that is a new bulb, driver, or lamp holder, and securing all connections with rated connectors and strain relief so nothing works loose. Once reassembled, turn the breaker back on and observe the light for at least 10 minutes while toggling any dimmer. This confirms stability under normal conditions. If flicker returns, try the fixture on a separate circuit or swap the dimmer for a confirmed compatible model. That single test usually reveals whether the issue is fixture or supply related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.